Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, this video is really special because we are about to reach 12,000 subscribers on this channel. Guys, I would like to thank each and every one of you for this particular milestone. Without you, this particular milestone would haven't been achieved so early. It's just been an year that we have started this YouTube channel and it has grown so much that today we are here with a 12,000 member family. So guys, on this particular occasion, I have planned a giveaway of Geeks for Geeks courses on this channel. So guys, make sure that you watch it till the end so that you can get to know how you can take part in this particular giveaway. Guys, recently only, I have made a poll on my YouTube channel asking you that which course you will prefer. And guys, most of you told that you will prefer the Java Foundation course. So guys, here I am with the Geeks for Geeks Java Foundation course. In this video, I will be giving away total 12 Geeks for Geeks Java Foundation course for free. But guys, don't worry if you do not win this particular giveaway. That means if you are not the part of the 12 winners, then also you can buy a Geeks for Geeks course on a certain discount price. The discount price is 10%. The link of that particular coupon code is given in the description box. So 12 courses will be given for free, and for the rest of you who will not win the course, you can buy any Geeks for Geeks course at a 10% discount by using the coupon code that is given in the description box. So guys, this video is divided into two parts. In the first part, I will be telling you about the course that I am giving away in this particular video, and in the second part of this video, I will be telling you that how you can take part in this giveaway and win the course. So make sure that you are watching this video till the end. Okay, so guys, this is the entire course content of the course that I am giving away. This particular course is meant for those who wants to learn Java from basics. So in this particular course, basics of Java has been covered. The concept of loops and functions are cleared. The medium level concepts like array, string, oops concept, which are most important in an interview, are also covered, as well as certain advanced topics has also been covered, like array list advanced. So guys, how you can you study in this particular course. So if you want to study, let's suppose you want to study strings, so you will simply click on the string track and it will redirect you to the videos page. So guys, here the entire video concepts are given to you, video lectures are provided to you, and if you have seen video once and if you want to just revise the concepts, then the reading resources has also been given to you in this particular course. Now, once you have done a particular tracks, let's suppose you are done with the strings, you have watched the videos, now you want to practice the problems, then the problems are also given to you in the problem section of that particular track. So here lots of problems for string you can see are given to you. You can practice here and you can find that what is your growth in such particular topic. Now, once you have done all the learnings and once you have solved all the problems that have been given in that particular track, now what you have to do, there are a lot of contests also which are given to you. So in this particular course, total four contests are there. Now these are timed contests, that is, these are 1.5 hour contest, and in this you have 3 to 4 coding questions. Now it will help you in finding out your speed in coding, that how much pressure you are able to achieve. So these contests are very much important for your preparation. So all these things are present inside this course. And one more thing, see, whenever you are doing certain things, you are solving the problems, then the marks will be given to you, and you can track your marks or your position in this leaderboard section. And guys, during the course there must be certain areas where you are not feeling confident or you are having doubts, then you can simply go to their discussion page of this particular course, and either you can find that there is a solution for your problem, or you can again ask a new doubt, that you are stuck in particular doubt, and they will just give you a reply. So again, this thing is also covered inside the course. And guys, last thing but not the least, the certificate is also available after you have completed the course. So guys, the certificate is a plays very important role in an interview. There must be certain certifications which must be present in your resume, and if you have a certification of Geeks for Geeks, which is a very brand, you can say, name in IT industry, so it will be very good for you. So guys, this was the entire course content for this particular course that I am giving away. Now I will be telling you that how you can take part in this particular giveaway and win your course. Okay, so guys, to take part in this giveaway, you will have to fill this particular Google form. The link of this Google form is given in the description box. You have to fill this Google form very carefully, because even if you make one mistake, then your candidature will not be accepted and you will be ruled out of this giveaway. So first thing in this, you have to give your email ID on which we can contact you, so that we can give you your coupon codes over this email. So make sure that you fill your email ID correctly here. So let's suppose I have filled my email ID here. Okay, and after filling the email ID, you will have to fill your name. So guys, please do not use any nickname, please use your real name only. If you will fill wrong names, then again your candidature can be rejected. So let's suppose I have filled Code Bashers. You cannot fill any nicknames here, you have to fill your real name. Now next thing you have to fill is what thing you like or dislike about the channel. So guys, this is your honest opinion. If you like anything, you can write that. If you dislike anything, you can write that also. This is an honest opinion. If you will write bad things about the channel, I will not, you can say, I will not reject you. This because of this answer you cannot be accepted or rejected. So your honest opinions are needed, because I want to grow myself as well as my channel. So if you will post that what all mistakes I am making in this channel, or what all good things I am doing this channel, so I can prepare well for the future. So this answer will not depend that whether you will win the giveaway or not, you will not win the giveaway. Now, so you can write anything here, but please write genuine things. Now next thing you will have to answer is, why do you want this Java course? That is, I am giving away the Java foundation course. So you must need to tell me that why do you want this Java course. If you will have a genuine reason, if you will have a good reason for buying this Java course, then definitely you will have a good chances of winning this course in this giveaway. Now the next three things are very important. These are involving the screenshots. Now guys, the first screenshot is screenshot of like and subscribe of Code Bashers. See, you will have to like this video and you will have to subscribe this channel, and you will have to take the screenshot for the same like this. So this is an sample that how you will have to take this screenshot. So here my channel name is visible and it is showing that I have subscribed my channel as well as I have liked this video. So you will have to post this particular screenshot in the first section, that is screenshot of like and subscribe of Code Bashers. Now this, I think the first screenshot is clear to you. Any mistake in these screenshots, again your candidature will be rejected. Now next second screenshot is screenshot of joining Code Bashers Telegram channel. So guys, please join my official Telegram group. There are lots of Telegram group of mine, but please join the official Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description box. So this is the screenshot of, this is telling me that yes, you have joined my Telegram group. So this is how your screenshot should look like, and you will post this screenshot in the second link, and that is this link, screenshot of joining Code Bashers Telegram channel. Now the last screenshot of commenting on this video. So guys, these two comments, that what thing you like or dislike about the channel and why do you want Java course, both these comments you should comment on this video also, and you should give me this, you should upload the screenshot of that particular comments in this particular section. So like this. So you must comment, your answer should match. See, these two, you can copy paste these two answers and you can make a single comment out of it, and you have to comment that particular comment in this video, and you will have to take the screenshot for the same, and your screenshot will look like this, and you will have to upload your screenshot here, that is in the third section. So I hope my last thing is clear. I know first two things are clear. The third thing I am repeating, that you will have to copy paste your both the answers, that why, what thing you like, dislike, and why do you want this Java course. You will have to copy paste these two answers from this particular form to the comment section of this video, and you will have to take the screenshot of that particular comment, and you will have to upload on this third thing. So I hope these three things are clear to you. So now I hope you know that how to fill this Google form. And guys, when the results will be displayed, after 3 to 4 days of uploading this video. The results will be displayed on my community post as well as in my official Telegram group, which you will be joining. So make sure that you do not miss those updates. It will be posted after 3 to 4 days. Now guys, one more thing I am repeating again, that I am giving away there will be 12 winners. The name of the winners will be displayed on my community post as well as on my Telegram groups. And if you do not win this giveaway, you can always get a 10% discount on any Geeks for Geeks course using the coupon code that I will be putting in the description box. So guys, I hope now you know that how you can take the part in this giveaway, and 12 lucky winners will be winning the courses for free, and I will be contacting their emails that they will give here. So guys, please make sure that you give your correct emails and you do not falsify your emails. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and guys, more and more giveaways will be planned ahead. So guys, make sure that you keep subscribing this channel, sharing this channel, and liking this video. So guys, thank you for watching this video.